Welcome back to Fusion 360 tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a shell in an object. So what we're going to do is simply just draw a rectangle and we're going to extrude that. Let's just say like 25. So there we go, we've got our cube, and we're now under modify. In this top bit we've got shell. It is next to press pull and combine in the middle there, and we'll just enter 1 mil. So that is essentially going to be the wall thickness of the shell. Obviously you can enter different amounts, so let's say 5. Obviously that'll make it slightly thicker. So there we go, 1 mil, and as you can see that is created the shell inside the cube that we have just created, essentially making a little box with an opening. Thanks for watching.